guess whoever's gonna be watching this video. So I'm going to try to fix this. I want my hair to be jet black, and as y'all saw in my previous videos, my tips were blonde. So I'm going to try to do a little coloring in my hair. So let's get to it. I'm going to be speeding up this video if I can edit it. Also, you're gonna need your color, and you're gonna need scissors. And so this already comes with gloves. These type of gloves. Okay. So I'm just gonna mix it. I'm not gonna apply it to my hair in the bed. I'm gonna. Why these don't look like that real gloves? Like it's just a piece of plastic. You still. I'm recording. Mom life. That's what I should try on my right now. Still thinking of different names, but I like the dungeon vibes. It's cool. I stick with that. And how y'all doing? If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, bye.